Hello, it's Rachel. Today's video is for the 6x6 challenge over on my Facebook group. The theme this week is bright colours. I'm using hot press watercolour paper and the medium I've chosen to use today is some wax pastels that are water soluble. These ones are made by Prima. I'm applying the colours to my page before activating the colour using a water brush and then repeating the process of applying more colour over the top so that the colours become even brighter. After I've applied the second layer of the wax pastels, I take a piece of sequin mesh and use this as a stencil with a baby wipe, except instead of applying another medium through the stencil, I'm actually removing the colour with the aid of that baby wipe. Now I'm going to add some stamping to my piece. For this I've chosen a selection of different Tim Holtz and Stampers Anonymous stamps. I'm using archival ink in jet black to stamp with. Now I'm taking a piece of acetate, which I'm using as a guide, so that I can sponge some ink around the word dream without actually getting the ink onto the letters. To give the stamping more definition, I'm first taking a Posca paint pen in black to outline all of the stamped areas, and then I also add some highlights using a Signo white pen. To complete today's project, I'm sponging around the edges using Archival ink in jet black and a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. That is everything for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you're interested in taking part in these 6x6 challenges, there's a link to my Facebook group in the video description, and you'll also find there my social media sites too.